In this week's Parshat Shmini, we learn about the untimely passing of Aharon HaKohen's two great sons, Nadav and Avihu. Now, there are many explanations as to why they passed away. Rabbi Shmuel explains, he says as follows. He says the reason why they passed away is because of the wine that they got drunk from. The wine that they drank caused them to get drunk, and because of that they passed away. What? Two great sons of Aharon HaKohen, tzaddikim, drinking wine and getting drunk? How could that be? Now, we know the Torah explains that they did something which Hashem didn't command them to do. Hashem didn't command them to do such a thing, and they did it. I heard a beautiful pshat from a mashgiach of mine in Yeshivat Mikdash Melech Yerushalayim, Rabbi Yirmiyahu Cohen Shlita, who brings a fascinating Sfat Emet, Rabbi Yehuda Aryeh Leib Alter, who says the following. He says, Nadav and Avihu, why were they drinking? Because they wanted to serve Hashem b'simcha. Wine, what does it do? It makes a person happy and joyful and excited. And they wanted to serve Hashem enthusiastically. With enthusiasm, they wanted to be happy b'simcha. However, Hashem didn't want them to use wine in artificial means to serve Him. Hashem said, I want you guys to serve me out of pure, genuine, internal happiness within, coming out and serving me that way. That is the Sfat Emet who explains such. What can we learn as follows? Rabotai, the days that we're living in, with the pandemic going around, we're all home, we're quarantined. We're looking at the four walls of our house constantly. We walk from our kitchen to the bedroom, to the bedroom, to the living room. There's a shayla that people say, oh, maybe you have to say Tfilat Tadera going from the kitchen to the living room and back because we're traveling all day, we're back and forth. Where are we going already? What can we learn? What's the lesson we can learn from here? Rabotai, up until this point, up until this pandemic, our happiness was an external happiness. It was coming from outside. We were going to social gatherings, going to here, going to weddings, bar mitzvahs, yeshivas, all these different events. Going to even shuls, synagogues, bet knesset, they're all closed. What can we do today? Hashem says, guys, I closed all of it. You cannot serve me with external happiness. You can only serve me with happiness that is internal. Within, happiness that comes within. Hashem says, this is the happiness that I want. Let's all work on ourselves. Let's try to tap into this internal happiness. Let's try to generate internal happiness within ourselves and bring it out. And Bezat Hashem will be zocheh to the ultimate geula shlema, the ultimate revelation in the revealing of Mashiach Tzidkenu b'meher v'yameinu. Amen ve'amen.
הגיע הזמן להתעורר, לעזוב הכל, להתגבר, לשוב הביתה.